guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be discussing about the benefits of using glycerine on your skin. I'm going to be talking about specifically this product by WishCare Pure and Unscented Glycerine, which is my personal favorite. Now before we dive into the video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. Now let's get started. If you don't know already, glycerin is extremely good for your skin. It helps in moisturizing and hydrating your skin and makes it supple, smooth and soft. This one from WishCare definitely has to be my personal favorite. I have been using it for quite some time now and I have seen the immense benefits it has given to my skin. This comes in a beautiful transparent packaging like this, which is very convenient to carry around as well. It comes with this pump applicator which makes it very easy for the product to come out. It has got 250 grams of the product. It is GMP certified and ISO certified, by which you can tell that it is completely safe to use on your skin. This glycerine by WishCare is extracted from farm vegetable oils in India. Glycerine attracts and locks moisture into your skin, thereby softening, smoothing and soothing the skin texture. If you don't know already, glycerine's pH level closely matches with your skin. Therefore, it makes it very gentle to be used by people who have sensitive skin like me as well. Now this glycerine is for external use only. Now let's talk about the different uses that you get out of glycerine, especially the WishCare Glycerine. It actually cleanses the skin without clogging your pores. So this is really good for cleansing your face. You can just mix it with water and just cleanse your face, or you can go ahead and mix it with your existing face wash. Just mix 2 drops of glycerine onto it, wash your face. You definitely see a glow. I do it all the time and I have seen visible change. Another way that I like to use the glycerine is with my scrubs, because often the granules in the scrub can be a little too harsh for my skin because I have sensitive skin, if you don't know already. So what I like to do is mix 2 drops of glycerine to my scrub, and then when I apply it on my face, I definitely feel that the scrub granules are not hurting my face. Another way that you can use your glycerine is to mix it with your face pack. It could be any face pack that you like. Often the face mask becomes very tight and they kind of hurt our skin in the process, but when you use glycerine with it, you definitely feel more comfortable. The easy and hassle-free way to use glycerine is to mix with your moisturizer. Whenever you are using a night cream especially, I would advise you to mix 2 to 3 drops of glycerine onto it according to the quantity you are taking, and then applying the moisturizer onto your skin, and you would definitely feel that your skin becomes more supple and more moisturized and hydrated. This is a hack that can be used especially by my dry skin girls out there. Even if you have oily skin to combination skin, you can go ahead and use this. I would suggest you to use this hack especially during night time. You can also go ahead and mix glycerine with your aloe vera gel and then apply onto your skin and face so that your skin doesn't feel dry and becomes smooth, glowy and hydrated. Especially during winters, we often get cracked heels. So if you use glycerine along with a Vaseline or just use it as such on cracked parts, it would definitely heal it up by hydrating that part and locking the moisture there. I think it is a very easy way to heal your cracked heels. So guys, as you know that this glycerine is also capable of fighting fine lines and it helps in regeneration of your skin cells. Amazing, right? Because if you have entered your late 20s, then it is a matter of concern and we often get worried about our fine lines and wrinkles. If you apply glycerine religiously on a daily basis with your night creams or as it is, then it is definitely going to fight those signs of aging and it is definitely going to prevent the coming of wrinkles, fine lines. So glycerine is the best way to give a skin the much needed hydration and moisturization, which in turn would make your skin smooth, soft and supple. You can also apply glycerine on your lips. You can use it with your lip balm or Vaseline, whatever you feel comfortable with. Apart from the ways that I have shown you here, there are so many other ways that you can apply glycerin on your skin. It can be used by both men and female, and it is for external use like I mentioned. And if you're wondering, I'm going to be leaving the links of purchasing this amazing product by WishCare in the description box below. So go ahead and get your hands on this amazing product. So this has to be my personal favorite because this is very gentle. There are often glycerins in the market which are very sticky, fragrance or smell attached to it, and I'm not very comfortable with these kind of glycerins. But with this one I didn't face any problem as such. Definitely go ahead and check this product out and use it regularly and religiously so as to see the amazing result this product gives. This, unlike other glycerin, is non-sticky. It is light, penetrates deep into your skin and instantly gives it a radiant and glowy look. I would highly recommend you all to try WishCare Glycerine. I am really very impressed, as you can tell, and you guys too should check this one out. That's it for today's video. I love you guys so much. I'll be back very soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling. Bye.